I was going to have a crazy monkey burger, but I came for the cricket burger. This was at the P&E, the Pacific National Exhibition in Vancouver, Canada. I was lucky to get one of the last cricket burgers. They were selling out fast. Crickets have lots of vitamins and protein. Eating crickets is very common in China. And in China, eating crickets is supposed to bring good luck. Crickets grow up to 2 inches long. These ones are about 1 inch or smaller.
Trung Quốc heck Are you from China? Trung Quốc heck Yeah. Have you eaten before? Yeah. Supposed to be good luck. Yeah. Supposed to be good luck for you, right?
好食㗎，
係好食。
呢個鑊抽係嘛？呢個鑊抽。Before I eat the one only baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
In China?
yeah, in China.
Whereabouts?
What taste is it?
Where in China?
We're in China.
Guangdong. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It really doesn't have much taste in it. It's kind of crispy. It kind of tastes like nuts. You were there with me having the cricket burger at the P&E here in Vancouver, Canada. Tell me about the strange or unusual foods you have eaten in the comment section below. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And please give me a thumbs up for this video. And if you'd like to check out more videos, just click over here or over here. And please subscribe by clicking over here.